Hello, this is Moon from Scenico. We're from China, Shenzhen. Our main product is flexible screens. Welcome to our booth. Here is the 1.9 flexible products. And this way is the 2.5 cylinder screens. You can see it's seamless. It's suitable for rental and fixed installation. This way is our IP68 outdoor waterproof screens. And let us show our latest technology about 1.9 in the integrate design modules first. Here is the receiving card. The input is high voltage 10 to 60. It's DC to DC technology. Okay, more information. Welcome to visit our website www.scenicoled.com. Thank you for watching.